Hi guys, I'm back with your channel, Kien Marketing. In today's video, I'll show you how to change it. The username and name of the TikTok account automatically. In case you use it. Multiple TikTok accounts. Raising a large number of TikTok accounts. That you want to. Change the names of the accounts you buy. Change your TikTok ID and buy it. I bought this tour myself. Then you will get to the part. Edit account information. In the previous video, I showed you how to change it. Avatar of the video. In today's video, I will show you how to rename TikTok ID and edit bio. In exchange for the information, you buy your software. Then brothers, check the accounts you want to change here. After selecting the account, click the name. In this case, I have an Excel file. There's a name here. Please give me all the names before. Names to change to the previous account. When you are finished, put it here for me. Each name a line. The TikTok ID is the same. That's it. Then you click on the ID selection. Go to TikTok and paste it. In case it has the same ID, then you can just add this cell and add random numbers. At the end of the TikTok ID, I will choose 550. You can also enter your account bio. I will give it to all accounts. The same bio. After setup, brothers, press start. It is similar to changing avatars. After pressing start, the software will display sign in to all the accounts you have selected and change the information one by one. Fully automatic for brothers. Here the accounts are logging in. On the screen, after, watch the video for a while, then the software controls that TikTok account. Go to your profile to change this username and add a bio. After the exchange is completed, it will close the changed account and continue. Change the information of the following accounts. Instead of you have to. Automatic information exchange. It takes time to log in again. Then you buy your own. I will support you and guide you. Change information in a completely automated manner. A large number of your TikTok accounts. Did you check it? Slowly after Monday. After a few minutes, the software was. I have changed the information of all my TikTok accounts. I'm going to go to this account manager and update these names. Right-click and check your account. Wait a while, it will. Update. TikTok ID has been changed and updated full night. You want to change your account information automatically. Then you buy your tools. I will guide you directly. Hi and see you in the next video.